Welcome to timepasscoders. In the last video we had seen how we can categorize it on basis of median income, and we stored it in median income category. Now we will be seeing how we can do shuffle split. For that, from scalar dot model selection import stratified shuffle split. After that, take a variable a, something which you want, and insert that right stratified shuffle split of. Here the parameters will be n split, the first one. N split means number of splits. We want to do only one split, that is we want to divide it into test set and train set, so number of splits will be 1. After that, we need to enter the size of test set, so the size of test set will be 0.2. you can enter based on your data, so I am entering it 0.2. you can enter anything like 0.3, 0.1, like that. This is the ratio of test set so to its full data. After that, we need to enter random state, so I am entering it as 42. you can enter it as 41, 40, you wish. What is random state? If we don't use this parameter random state, then every time we run this file we will get a new test set and new train set. Every time we run this, we get new test set and new train set. So to make it fixed, we using a parameter called random state and giving it a value. After this, from, don't worry, I will explain this everything at last clearly. From for strategic dot train set comma, let us keep index also. This is just a variable which I am taking, you can take anything. After this, str test set index, don't worry, I will explain it in a dot split of. Here you need to enter two parameters such that based on the second parameter the first one will be splitted, that is housing dot data dataset housing will be splitted based on dataset housing of median income category. So what is happening here? Now a dot split dot dataset housing comma dataset housing of median income, this will return two lists. The first list will contain the indexes of train set and the second list will contain the indexes of test set. So we are storing it in two variables which we declare here. So this will return two lists. The first list will contain the test train set index and the second list will contain test set index. And how we are splitting it, here you can see a dot split. So a is stratified shuffle split of n splits equal to 1, so number of splits is 1, test set 0.1, random split 4.1. now we will be using these indexes, we should get the rows. For that, we are again declaring a new variable train set is equals to data set housing dot log of str train set, sorry, it should be train set str train set index. Finished. So here the rows with index str train set index, see here, these will be taken into str train set. After that, we will be writing similarly str test set is equals to data set housing dot log of str test set index. Finished. Now what is LOC? LOC will return the rows which are having the indexes specified in it. So it will return the rows which have indices in it. You can also think what is iloc. Iloc will give columns, whereas this will give rows. After that, That's it, finished. Now we have stratified train set and stratified test set. What is this? Suppose I will explain clearly. Print stratified test set of median income category dot value counts, and same way copy. Print state of train set. Let this be test. This be train. Now run it. Here you can see this is the train set and this is the test set. So in train set, if the category C has 5789 elements, in test set it has 1447. If in train set it has 658, in test set it has 164. Here from this you can see we have strategically splitted it. If the train set has more, then the test set will also have more. If the train set has less, then test set will also has less. This is the objective of using stratified shuffle split. We shuffle it stratifically. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, or you can ask me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.